This is my eggless fresh orange Rava cake. Light and soft, made with very simple ingredients, and today I'm gonna show you step by step. So even if you're a beginner, you can bake this confidently. We'll start by grinding regular white sugar. Add it to mixer grinder. Grind into a fine powder sugar. Powder sugar mixes faster and gives a smoother texture, especially important for Rava cakes. Next, we need fine Rava. Using fine Rava is important. It absorbs liquid evenly and gives soft cake, not grainy one. To make a quick buttermilk, mix half cup of milk with half teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a gentle mix. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Vinegar will react with milk and curdle slightly. This acts as buttermilk, which makes our cake soft and fluffy, just what we needed. In another bowl, add half cup of powder sugar and zest of an orange. Rub this together as shown in video. This step is very important. It releases natural oils from the zest, which gives cake strong fresh orange flavor. Now add oil to this. Mix it really well until combined. You can use hand blender for this. Good to go. Add prepared buttermilk and vanilla. Whisk again until smooth, which means until sugar dissolves. Now in another bowl, mix Rava and flour, mix in together and add this to wet ingredients. Mix gently so there are no dry pockets. Now pour in fresh orange juice. Whisk nicely so there are no lumps. Now cover and rest batter for 20 to 30 minutes. The resting helps the Rava soften completely and gives a soft cake texture. While the batter rests, grease the loaf tin with oil. Greasing properly prevents cake from sticking. After resting, add pinch of salt and give it a mix. Now add baking powder and baking soda. Mix gently using spatula first. Then lightly whisk so there are no lumps. But do not overmix at this stage because we don't want dense cake. Pour the batter into prepared tin. Bake in preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. And here is our soft, moist, eggless orange Rava cake. Perfect with chai or coffee. If you're a beginner, trust this recipe. It's simple, tasted and absolutely delicious. Happy baking!